Lesson 1: Introduction to Python and Getting Started. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that's known for its simplicity and readability. In this lesson, we'll get you started with the basics of Python programming. First, you need to download and install Python on your computer. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, python.org/downloads. After you've installed Python, you can start the Python interpreter by opening the terminal or command prompt on Windows and typing Python. Now let's write your first Python program. Type print "Hello, world" in the interpreter and hit enter. You should see the message "Hello, world" printed on the screen. To save your program, open a text editor and type the same code. Save the file as hello.py. Now navigate to the directory where you saved the file and type python hello.py. This will run your program, and you should see the message "Hello, world" printed on the screen. Python has several basic data types that you'll be using frequently: integers, floats, booleans, and strings. Here are some examples of how to define and use these data types. That's it for your first lesson. In the next lesson, we'll cover variables and basic operations.